What I'm going to show you now is how to cut a chicken for saute. I'm going to show you, I bought a whole chicken when we did the budget challenge, and a part of that reason was to get 2 dishes out of it. And we're going to cut it into 9 pieces. And so first of all, I'm going to take off the wings. Just pop that off like that. You can just, if you want, just chop straight through it. That works as well. So if you're not like me, a chef, you can just cut straight through like that. Then we're going to take, we've got the legs and we've got the breast. Now generally you take the legs off and you take the breasts off. On this one we're going to take the legs off as normal, but then we're going to take the breast halfway here, and I'll show you how to do that. It's very easy, a little bit of practice. So chicken straight off, leg down, get all that meat. Again, just cut down, pull it, you can see that, cut down. If you want to just pop that bone up and then straight through there. We're getting as much meat off them as possible. We're going to cut them again in a second. And then we've got the breast here, which is all meat, no bone. These have got bones in them, so there's less, we've got 40% bone in there, so there's less meat on these. These are just meat. So you can see the breastbone is straight down the middle. I'm going to actually cut just straight through in line with this knuckle. So the knife goes straight down and straight through, and you still get a really nice, good meaty piece of chicken. When you're on a budget, your portions are going to be that little bit smaller of meat, and so this is a great way to make your chicken go further. And it doesn't matter whether I'm making these 2 dishes, you can do this for all your dishes. If you've got a big family, you get 9 pieces out of this. So there's those pieces there. Now you can see here we've still got a nice bit of breast on the bone, and I'm just going to take that straight down, cut through, taking all that meat with us. So now we've got a nice piece of meat. This has got a bit of bone, and then just carefully cut through. It's only cartilage, so it's not big hard bones, and you've got 3 more pieces of chicken there.